And welcome to Stunt Geek channel. Today I am going to show you my review on 1 by 24 scaled die cast Mercedes G500. Now, if you look at the model, it looks very nice. It's a very big model and it's very heavy too. And it's in black with silver alloy wheels. The alloy wheels also have the brakes, the disc brakes that gives it a very realistic look. Now, if you look at the interiors, wow, it's very detailed. It's like the speedometer and each and every component is highly detailed, and there is a gear lever, and as you turn the wheels, the steering also responds. And the quality, fit and finish of this diecast model is very nice. There are no rough edges, there are no sharp edges, and the quality of plastics is also good. At the tail section there is the spare wheel with Mercedes logo, which is also in 1 by 24 scale. The spare wheel cover is in chrome, which is very contrasting to the paint job, and there is a wiper on the doors. Although the doors don't open, but it looks good. The G500 logo over here, it's also in 1 by 24 scale. I hope you can see it. And the driver's side, the passenger side has a grab rail on the dashboard. It's beautiful. It's very nice. I really like the way the detailing has been done with the interior, and look at the quality of the metal. Look at the thickness of this die cast metal. It's very nice, and it's very heavy too. The quality of doors is very nice. There is a running board which is in chrome that gives it a very realistic look, and underneath there's a detailed chassis, exhaust, and fuel tank. Although this is not a very highly detailed model, but yes, from the outside it looks beautiful. The engine bay is wow. It looks very real, but it's not highly detailed, but yes, it looks real. The uh, side indicators on the bonnet gives it a very realistic look, and the quality of metal is very nice. It's a very heavy model. Now, you may also notice there is a small Mercedes logo on the bonnet as well over here, and the logo on the grille also looks realistic. I don't know why the sunroof is not transparent, but overall the quality of the quality and fit and finish of this surface is very good. I like the black color especially. I also saw one silver colored one, but that looked very subtle. Now the black one looks very muscular and more realistic as compared to the silver one. And I'm not sure if Welly is the only brand that manufactures the 1 by 24 scale G500. If you know any other brand, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a review on those brands as well. The wipers are in plastic and it looks very realistic. Beautiful. The seats, the rear passenger seats, looks like it's a leather seat. Very beautiful, very nice. It's a very heavy model, as I said. The quality of metal is very good, and Welly has a reputation of making high quality die cast cars in 1 by 24 scale. I haven't seen any 1 by 18 scale model yet, but I will try to get one and show you the review of 1 by 20 18 scale models in my next video. So if you like this model, if you like the review of this model, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel for more reviews and updates on similar products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.